Alright, guys. It is October 10th, 2025 at 11:30 a.m. Let's begin the video. Alright, so we have the Bible verse of the day. It says, "If you follow my decrees and are careful to obey my commands, I will send you rain in its season, and the ground will yield its crops, and the trees their fruit." Leviticus 26, verse 3 and 4. Alright, let's take a look at the latest earthquakes. Yesterday, I made a video today about the earthquake that happened in the Philippines. I'll go over that in a second. But right now, let's take a look at the California earthquake. We have a 3.0 off the Oregon, Seattle, California coast. A 3.0 west, 232 kilometers west-northwest of Bandon, Oregon, with 10-kilometer depth. So we have some activity off the coast of Oregon, California, and Seattle. Alright, guys, let's take a look now and zoom out. And go and head over to where the earthquakes were yesterday that I was talking about. The earthquakes in the Philippines. Let's slowly head over to the Philippine area. As you see here, many earthquakes. We have a 5.0 in the Philippines. There was a 6.7 recently. There was a 7.4 yesterday, 20 kilometers east of the Santiago, Philippines, 58.1 kilometers in depth. So that big earthquake went off, and then these other larger ones started popping off. A 6.3, 134 kilometers southeast of Ringau, Papua New Guinea. That one happened yesterday, as well as a 5.1, as well as this one by Fiji, a 5.1. So it was a succession of just back-to-back earthquakes happening in the region. Let's take a look quickly here and zoom in to the area, the epicenter of where the 7.4 happened. And look how many earthquakes are stacked on top of each other here. Aftershocks. We have the 7.4, we have the 6.7, we have a 5.1, a 5.2, a 5.1, a 5.2, a 5.1, a 5.0. We have a lot here. A 4.8. So the people of the Philippines are really going through it with all of these earthquakes. So please pray for the people of the Philippines and Davao City and the whole region and that is being affected by this large swarm of earthquakes. Alright, I'm zooming out so I can show you. Look at Russia. 5.6 in Russia and a 4.5 in Alaska. Then this one happened off of California, a 3.0. So we have to keep an eye on Japan. We have to keep an eye here in the Kamchatka, Russia region. We have to keep an eye on the Alaska region. And we have to keep an eye off the California, Oregon area. Because these huge, large amounts of earthquakes happening here in the middle of the Pacific could set off more stuff happening in the Ring of Fire. So please pray for the region. Alright, here is no tsunami warning, advisory, watch, or threat right now. But once the 7.4 happened in the Philippines, then followed by a 6.9 in the Philippines, we have to keep an eye also on the tsunami data. As you see, there's two buoys active by the Philippines that are blinking right now. These two buoys right here, they're active. That means that the water in that region is not calm due to the 6.9 that just recently happened and the 7.4 that happened last night. So, God bless that region because it's dangerous to have anything near the water with large earthquakes like that. Alright, let's take a look at the satellite. This is Jerry right now. Jerry is. It weakened a bit. As it looks like it's being thrown by shear, being taken apart by shear. And it is moving west northwest. So it's just pretty much heading west and north. But hopefully it will avoid Puerto Rico here on the left entirely. Hopefully it does, because if it avoids it, the people will be safe. The people of the Virgin Islands here and Puerto Rico will be safe. But please pray for the people here where these smaller islands are and the Lesser Antilles are being affected by the storm right now as it is passing over them. So please pray for them. Alright, guys, let's take a look also. The last piece of news: the Nobel Peace Prize was given to Maria Corina Machado, a Venezuela opposition leader, for promoting democracy. So that was the Nobel Peace Prize winner, this woman from Venezuela. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more news. The video isn't too long, but stay subscribed, keep sharing my videos, and God bless you guys. See you guys next time.